Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make adorable miniature cupcakes out of clay. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need polymer clay in several colors, perhaps a light brown for the cake, white or pink for frosting, and vibrant hues for sprinkles. Don't forget your basic sculpting tools, a craft knife, and a small rolling pin. Also, ensure you have a clean workspace and an oven ready for baking your finished pieces. Now, let's begin by forming the cupcake base. Take a piece of your chosen cake-colored clay and roll it into a smooth ball, roughly 1 inch in diameter. Gently flatten the bottom to create a stable base, and then subtly dome the top to mimic a baked cupcake. For that authentic touch, use a textured tool or even a toothpick to carefully create vertical lines around the sides, simulating a paper cupcake liner. Next, it's time for the fun part, adding the frosting. Take your frosting-colored clay and roll it into a long, thin snake, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Carefully begin coiling this clay snake onto the top of your cupcake base, starting from the very center. Work your way outwards, creating a lovely swirl pattern. You can build up a few layers to give your clay cupcake a wonderfully realistic, fluffy frosting appearance. To complete your miniature masterpiece, add some delightful finishing touches. You can roll tiny bits of clay into sprinkles, form a small cherry, or create any other miniature decorations you desire. Once your cupcake is perfectly adorned, carefully transfer it to a baking sheet. Then, bake it in your oven according to the specific instructions on your polymer clay package, usually for about 15 to 20 minutes at the recommended temperature. Enjoy your adorable clay creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.